Wibble. Wibble.
Quibble.
Yeah, wibble.
Hey, Quibble. You look like a chicken and like a fluff ball.
Yeah, that looks
With
like
a big mouth. That looks like a black hole.
a Big Mac chicken nuggets.
Like a big old chicken nugget boy. AFK.
When did the moon go to the moon? When Neil Armstrong went to space.
That doesn't make sense, sir.
Why?
You're just teaching them random school stuff. It's the summer. They shouldn't know that.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
It's July 3rd.
It's not even in July yet.
Dang it, it is July.
No, it's June.
June?
Probably. I don't know. Bye.
It's July!